Hello, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make 3 Lego Star Wars spaceship thingies. So it's gonna be from easy to medium to somewhat difficult. I mean, it's not hard, but you get the point. So we're gonna start off with this miniature, really small TIE fighter. So you will need 4 of these 2x4 trapezoid pieces. Let's put 4 of them here. You will need 2x2 plates. You need 4 1x1 black studs and 1x1 brick with Technic holes on the sides. So let's get the studs right now, and leave a like on this video right now. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, so here are some studs, and I already attached one into the brick to show you. So you attach them with the studs like this. You push them into the Technic hole, so you have a two-way thing. And then you take the 2x2 plates and you put the stud in between the thing. So it should fit in properly because I did this already before. Okay, so you got one, and then you just do the other one. Okay, and then you attach these two. One here, and then same on the other side. One here, and one here. So, and then you just take your pilot cockpit thingy, you put one of them here, and one of them here, and then the stud you can attach a piece, so you get like a clear piece. So that's the TIE fighter. And then for the Star Destroyer, you need a jumper plate, a 1x2 jumper plate. This one has a little bit more pieces, but I mean, it's okay. And then you need 1x1 rounded tile, and then 2 1x1 rounded plates for the engine thingies. You need 1 1x2 slope brick, and one of these 1x1 modified the plates with the ring on it. You need a 1x4 brick with side studs, 3 1x3 plates, a 2x2 jumper plate, and a few random gray grill pieces just for some detail. And again, just for some detail, 1x1 round tile, 2 1x1 round plates, a 2x2 tile, and a 4x4 plate, 2 of these 3x6 slope wedge pieces. This, I don't really know what they're called, but I mean, you know what I mean. And then you get another 4x4 like the other one. Like that. And you take 1x4 here. And then you take 3 2x4s plates, and then you take 3 2x3s. Ooh, okay. And then you take one of these pieces. So how you start is you take one of these, you put them there, here, and then there. So that's the front. Then you take this, you put your 1x4, you take your other one, you put your other thing, and then you take this, you put it here, your 1x2 jumper plate, your round piece, other round piece, and then your other round piece. Then you take your 4x4, but no, I forgot, you made a mistake. Here, the 1x4 does not go there. I don't know why I just said that. The 1x4 actually goes down here. So, just saying. So I'm giving you a bit of time to do that right now. Okay, so once you've done that, then you have the main base of it. Then you can go on and make the cockpit or the main area. So then you take 1x3 and you put your 2 1x1 studs there, and you put it on the middle. Then you put that on the middle of the 2x2, just like that. And then you take a grill piece, you could put it there, and your other 2 1x3s that are remaining, you put it here. You take your 4x4, put it on the back, your other 4x4, put it on the back, then your other, not 4x4, I don't know why this light keeps falling. I mean your 2x4, not your 4x4. And then you take your last 2x4, you put it there, your 1x1 with the ring, you put that back there just for some detailing. And then you have your thing, you put it back here. And then you can attach all your little grills and stuff to add some detail. So there is the Imperial Star Destroyer, which was kind of a medium thing, used way more pieces than the TIE Fighter. So yeah, so that was that. Now for the Imperial Shuttle. So for this you will need 3 1x1s of yellow round ones for the lights. You'll need 2 1x1 black square tiles, or just a 1x2, it doesn't matter. Then you'll need one of these 3x8, and then 2 jumper plates that are 1 by 2. Then this 1 by 2 piece modified. A 2 by 4 black plate. Two 1 by 4 tiles. 2 1 by 6 tiles. And then 3 2 by 3 plates. Two of these 3 by 6 wedges. Two of these modified 1 by 2 plates with the bar on the end. You need 1 4 by 4 plate. One 1 by 2 thing with the clips, and it's either the same piece as I just showed you, or if you don't have that and you want an alternative like I did, it works perfectly the same, but they're just 1 by 2s with the clips. Then you need the 1 by 2 piece like this. 1 by 1 around the plates. 2 2 by 4 pieces, plates. 2 2 by 2s. 1 2 by 2 tile. 2 1 by 2 plates, and a 1 by 4 plate. So you start off by the top over here, which you add the black 2 by 4, and then your 2 1 by 4s, like this. And then you take your 1 by 1s over here, and then on the sides, you take the pieces with the clips that you have, just like that. And then your 1 by 4, and then this piece. Okay, so that's your main body, and then you just attach the 2 by 4s. So then you have a 4 by 4 thing. So then for the cockpit area, you take this, then you take one of your 2 by 3s, put it on top, your 2 by 2 tile, and your 2 1 by 2s go here. And then you can take a 1 by 2 and put it there. And then you just snap that in place. And if you want to make it a little better, you could even make it like that and put a 1 by 2 there, which is what I did. So if you don't have an extra 1 by 2, you could do the previous version, but I like this better. Okay, and then for the wings, you take your wedge pieces, you put one there, and then you just put your clips, one in here, one in there, one of your 2 by 3s on each one, and then one of your 2 by 2s on each one. Then you put your 1 by 6 tiles and then you just snap those in place. Then on the bottom, you put your jumper plates. They're just for some very not detailed landing gear, some simple landing gear. And then you take your 3x8, then you just attach your thing either on that side or this side. And then if you didn't notice, you could actually slip a plate in between, so that's the shuttle. So the wings can fold for the flying position, and then in the landing position they can also go up like that. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.